Very large e-commerce sites like Amazon, Alibaba, and others are a fantastic source of excellent keyword ideas. By using these, you can find hundreds or even thousands of great keywords in just about any niche. Let's see how to do that. We are in SEMrush now. Enter Amazon.com in the search box here and choose Organic Research. The list has more than 46 million keywords. We need to set filters to find the type of keywords we are looking for. Ones that start with best or end in reviews and get between 80 to 500 searches a month. Once your site is more than a year old and has at least 50 pages, you can start targeting keywords that get more than 500 searches a month. But for now, let's stick with keywords that get 500 or fewer searches a month. Let's suppose we are looking for keywords related to golf balls. Let's set the filters now. In this case, we need to set 4 filters. The first one specifies the keyword should contain golf ball. The second one specifies the keyword should begin with best. The third specifies the number of searches a month should be greater than 79, and the fourth specifies the number of searches a month should be less than 501. We now have a list of 37 keywords. Each of these begins with best and has a search volume between 80 to 500 searches a month. Let's export this list as a CSV file. Now, let's find similar keywords that end in review. We just need to change this one filter. We got a list of 20 keywords. All of these keywords contain the phrase golf ball in them. They have between 80 to 500 searches a month and they all end in review. Let's export this list as a CSV. Now, we also need to get keywords that end in the plural form. Reviews. We can get a few additional keywords this way. That search yielded 11 keywords. All of these end in reviews. You can repeat the same procedure with just about any big site. Alibaba, CNN, Yahoo.com, Walmart, just about any very big site. And you might end up finding buyer keywords that no one else in your niche is targeting.